This is Telecoms Talk, reporting from the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. I'm joined by Nigel Hall, the CEO of Genesis. Nigel, you've got a very compelling message. Copper and mobile. Some say it doesn't go together anymore.
Well, I think it does. We're calling ourselves the copper revolutionists because we genuinely believe that copper has a massive, massive place in the backhaul services of most telcos around the globe right now. And that's why we've created a product called mBond. And what mBond does is it manages to take copper pairs and copper links in the backhaul of a mobile base station, and it turns that copper link into 150 megabits per second over 1.5 kilometer links. That's pretty special, and when you're a mobile operator or a fixed line telco looking at how to deliver these types of services in the 4G world and in the 5G world ultimately, this is a great use of something that we've spent many trillions of dollars investing in. So let's take advantage of it.
Absolutely, it's amazing. I mean, do you think the operators realise what's out there?
Well, I think they do, but I think it's taking time because everyone naturally thinks that fiber's the solution to everything. But increasingly, as a person who's worked in the telcos and run telco networks around the globe, that becomes increasingly challenging in that last mile. And certainly there is plenty of opportunity with the copper linkages in the ground and everywhere around this world to take advantage of what's already there. And I think time will tell, but I think the operators are starting to realise that the economic benefit of using what they've already invested in needs to be realised, and this is a way of doing it for them.
Absolutely, and I think you're seeing other opportunities all the time coming up for copper.
Yeah, we are. So obviously mBond is primarily focused at the mobile telcos in making sure that they can deliver the fastest amount of bandwidth down to the base station and more importantly down to the customer's device. But what we're also seeing as well with our other product ranges is we're getting customers coming to us saying, could we make that technology work in other ways? For example, one of our customers said, we'd like to place that technology on the copper links that we are using to drive our CCTV camera network. So we're already looking at that with them as to seeing how we can convert this technology to suit that need as well. So our famous phrase right now is, wherever there's copper, there's Genesis. And that's really what we're trying to see. We're trying to move into, and our customers now are pulling on us for all those types of applications. We've had another one as well recently where a company was an alternative network provider to business parks in a particular location. We've also started to work with them because they feel they can offer a better level of service because they own that last mile of copper to the business park, and they provide an enhanced broadband service as an alternative to the fixed line incumbent. So all of those bets are on right now.
Fantastic. Tell us a bit more about the company.
It's been around a while. We have been around for about 5-6 years now, and it started out with a product called DSL rings. And what we've seen as we've gone out there with our product is we've seen the telcos spend more and more time asking us and talking to us about the mBond solution. And hopefully in the future, as it's already turning out to be the case, they're starting now to talk to us a little bit about small cell developments as well and how our backhaul solution can work in that world. And clearly that's a huge opportunity for not only Genesis, but also the rest of the telco community when they need to try to figure out how they're going to solve their backhaul challenge.
Nigel, thanks very much for talking to us.
Thanks very much indeed, Brian. Thank you.
So you heard it here, copper still a very important component of the mobile revolution.